Hi, today we're going to make cake 3 milks. To make this cake, you can make any type of vanilla flavored cake that you like. I made mine with just a couple of eggs, flour, sugar, and vanilla extract. Then when the cake is baked, we grab the mold that we used, we put a plastic film on it, and we placed our baked cake inside the mold. Then we just grab a fork or a toothpick or a shish kebab stick, anything that you have, and we make holes all over the cake. We just poke it with the stick all the way around. We have to break the surface so that we're going to pour some cream on it, and if we don't break the surface, it won't absorb the cream. So once we have all the holes made, we grab a pitcher, a jar, a bowl, whatever you have, and we put 400 grams of condensed milk and 400 grams of evaporated milk. If they're too expensive where you live, you can make them. I uploaded a video on how to make them, and they're not expensive at all, and I will leave the link in the description. And then you just add a cup of milk and we mix it well. You can mix it with a wooden spoon, but you can also beat it so it will be smooth and creamy and all the creams are blended together. Then you just grab your cake and you pour this cream all over the cake. Some cakes take more time to absorb the cream, so you just have to pour a bit, leave it, come back and pour it again. You just have to make sure to pour all the cream on it, and the cake has to absorb it all completely. Once it's done, more or less like this, you put it in the fridge for at least 8 hours or overnight like I did. When the time is up, you grab your cake. I put a tray over it, and then I turn it over and take the plastic film off, and there it is. This is how the cake should look like, and you can decorate it or you can just leave it like this. I used milk jam and cream to decorate it, but I live in Argentina, so here it's very easy to buy milk jam. I know not in every country they have it, but you can use Nutella, you can use frosting, you can use chocolate fudge, mousse, whatever you like. I made then cream. I made some whipped cream. I put a cup of cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 teaspoons of powdered milk. I put the powdered milk so when you beat it, it gets really stiff and you can decorate it with it. If you don't have it or if you don't want to put it, you don't need to. But I like it because it stays, you can really decorate and it won't fall apart in the refrigerator or anything. So then I just decorated it. I had made some stripes, and in between each stripes I had left like an empty space. So I decorated it with the cream. And you don't have to decorate it if you don't want to, because I use a decorating bag and I know a lot of people don't know how to use it. So you can just spread the cream on the cake and make a decoration with a fork or whatever you want. You don't have to, or with a spoon and make it look like, I don't know, like sort of sloppy. It's okay. Or if not, you can just leave it how it is and you just cut it in slices, and with a spoon you just put a bit of whipped cream or whatever you want to put on top of it. This cake is really good because it's very, very moist and creamy. It is like the best cake ever. I learned how to make it in Chile. I don't know if it's Chilean or where it's from, but you have to try it. It's great. So if you like my recipes, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and activate the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.